English verbs late, make, have, get, and help are called causative verbs. Why they are called causative verbs? Because they cause something else to happen. So dear student, here are some specific example of causative verbs and how causative verbs work. So first of all, while learning about the causative verb, you have to know about isn't and object. So what's the isn't mean? Isn't mean generally living one. Like example, me, him, her, etc. So this kind of isn't will be generally living beings. And object, what's the meaning of object? Let's see here. Object is recipient, generally non-living things like car, my house, my shirt, table, etc. So know about the form of the make verb. Make verb, especially they will be makes, will make, is making, made, and form of get verbs. So what are the form of the get verb here? Gets, will get, is getting, and got. So these are the different form of the get verb. And let's see here the next form of the have verb. Had, will have, is having, and had. These are the different kind of have verbs. Okay. And similarly, next word, that is structure of causative verb. Let's see first one. First one is subject plus make, makes, made plus isn't plus verb 1. So she made me laugh. So me is here isn't. And next structure is subject plus was, were plus made plus to plus verb 1. So in passive form, in made also there should be 2 plus P1, like she was made to dance in the hall. So to dance is here 2 plus P1. And let's see next structure, that is subject plus get, gets, got plus isn't plus 2 plus V1. Example, get him to write a letter. So to write a letter, 2 plus B1. And like that, next structure is subject plus has, have, had plus isn't plus V1. Example is he has his mother cook the food. His mother is isn't here, and cook is a verb 1 here. And next one is subject plus has, have plus had plus object plus B3. So what is the example here? They had their garden trimmed. The garden is object here, so verb 3 is here, trimmed. So their garden followed by verb 3, trimmed. And next one is here subject plus late, lates plus isn't plus P1. They let me play here. Isn't is here me, and play is verb 1 here. So this is the next structure of causative verb. And let's see another one, that is force verb. Subject plus force plus isn't plus 2 plus V1. They force me to play football.